Eatable is a mobile ordering and payment solution that helps create seamless personalized dining experiences for both our restaurant partners as well as our users. With Eatable, we help restaurants undergo a digital transformation wherein we help them become what we call Eatable smart restaurants, where they have the ability to identify their consumers in real time, create rich media ordering experiences, as well as have very personalized customer engagement and retention programs as well. Big challenge for us specifically was building our domain expertise. Since neither Krish nor I come from a hardcore restaurant background, we had to build our entire knowledge base from ground up. So we did it by just barging into restaurants, talking to restaurant owners, waiters, managers, users, just keep picking their brain, asking them more questions. Okay, tell me more about this. Can I enter your kitchen? Can I see your entire software system? Can I spend a few days at your restaurant?
Applying was as simple as filling up the form which was available online, and after that Reliance got in touch with us. We had a meeting with Amay and the entire team, and at the end of it I think we had one extensive pitching session with the whole panel, and that was it. It was very seamless, and the whole Reliance team, right from the basic person to Amay himself, they're very responsive, they're friendly, they're very approachable. And as a young startup, that really helped us. We had entered with one goal, which was to cut our learning curve in half. If we could take the experience which the mentors or even the other founders in the cohort could provide us with and use that to get into the ecosystem, to learn everything there is about it, it would have been great. That was the goal we entered with.
That by 2023, I think all the changes that we're currently calling in terms of like smart restaurant capabilities will in fact be the norm. I feel like most restaurants by then will have the ability to recognize their customers in real time, offer like rich media ordering experiences, automate large parts of their business. Data and analytics will be a very key function of their entire business, and all of your communication and engagement with your customers will be very personalized. We're hoping to be a large part of their entire transformation and the value add. So our product, while it is still evolving, soon we'll be rolling out our pre-order function wherein you can have your favorite dishes waiting ready for you by the time you even get there. And other than that, we also, in terms of just scale and size, we're already expanding. We hope to be multi-city in a few months, and we'll be raising capital soon to get that process a lot more faster.